Hello, little learners! Today, we're diving into a colorful world of numbers and hues with our fantastic toy cars. Let's start our journey. Number 1 is yellow, number 2 is white, number 3 is pink, number 4 is green, number 5 is black, number 6 is orange, number 7 is gray, number 8 is brown, number 9 is red, and finally, number 10 is blue. Get ready for a fun-filled ride. Look at the yellow car go! It rushes down the track, its cheerful demeanor lighting up the course. With a countdown of 3, 2, 1, whee! It takes off, soaring through the air, and lands in the pool with a joyful splash. Behold the white car as it swiftly descends the ramp. Eager and determined, it's all set for its daring jump. Watch closely as it gracefully dives into the pool, leaving a delightful trail of bubbles behind. The pink car is up next. With a burst of energy, it zooms down the track. Anticipation fills the air as it readies for the grand leap. And there it goes, elegantly entering the pool, creating a lovely splash of pink. Green means go. Our green car speeds down the ramp, full of enthusiasm. It's poised for a spectacular jump. Witness the magic as it gracefully glides into the pool, leaving a trail of vibrant green bubbles. Watch the black car as it races down the track, sleek and swift. It's time for its daring leap. With a swift 3, 2, 1, off it goes, plunging into the pool with a splash of deep, dark color. Orange, you excited? The orange car zips down the track with a burst of zest. Ready, steady, jump! Witness the vibrant spectacle as it gracefully dives into the pool, leaving a trail of lively orange bubbles. Behold the gray car, steady and determined as it makes its way down the ramp. It's prepared for its grand jump. Watch in awe as it elegantly enters the pool, leaving a subtle trail of gray in its wake. The brown car takes its turn, moving steadily down the track. With a sense of purpose, it's ready for its exciting leap. See it make a splash as it gracefully enters the pool, leaving a warm brown hue behind. The red car, bold and bright, races down the track with gusto. It's time for its big jump. With a countdown of 3, 2, 1, off it goes, soaring through the air and creating a splash of vibrant red in the pool. Now, watch the blue car speed down the ramp. It's ready for its big jump. And there it goes, diving into the pool, leaving a trail of bubbles behind. What an amazing adventure we've had today. We've learned about colors and numbers with our fantastic toy cars. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting educational videos. Until next time, keep on learning and playing.